Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. Hope that all are fine. I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Creator. Okay, so let's get start this video. Okay, so actually, dear friends, now I am standing here. Actually, this is the paddy field behind me. So actually because I am video making purposes, I have come here. Okay, so nowadays I cannot making any practicing video because nowadays I am sick, so that's why I cannot making any blogging video. So and today I have come here so video making purpose. Okay, and now I am start this video start. Okay, so actually in our behind side there is one big hill, and this hill actually uh, you can see, actually this hill I always show my video, and maximum video I standing here at this field, and my behind side this hill I always show my every video. Okay, so actually this hill in our village, and this hill around 5 kilometer distance. So that's why this hill actually very nice scenery, and in our behind side, dear friends. So this is the all around side actually greeny, amazing and mesmerizing scenery. Okay, so you can see actually our behind side and on paddy field, and this field actually not our paddy field, and this paddy field actually another person paddy field. So and my and actually our paddy field, actually those field actually our paddy field. Uh, went I went to go this paddy field, and now I am going to my our home. So and wow, our environment very amazing environment. Okay, so dear friends, today actually my video not making video, so because I not actually satisfy and my actually healthy condition, so very actually bad, not good. So okay, so that's why I not video make, and try my best and practice regular, so that's why I making video. Okay, so actually my English actually not good, and I am trying my skills actually best. So actually my start journey, so last 3 months, so and not for good, and actually I feel our English skills day by day improvement, but not fluency. Okay, so I think this way after 1 year, after 2 years later, my English skills one day I will be able to fluent speaker. Okay, so actually when I start this journey, the time I not speak any words in front of camera. Okay, and now I am actually speaking in front of camera on a 20-minute or 30-minute continuously. I am speaking in front of camera. It's not actually actually very opportunity for me, because I am daily video making for English video. Okay, so thank you, bye bye.